Hey guys, Mongo here. So I had a Discord member ask me about Exxon Mobil or XOM. Um, you've got a W pattern here at the top, but I'm still expecting a rejection. This in general is more of a distribution pattern. So I would expect lower price targets. If you're in high profits right now, I would definitely layer out. This is on the weekly, but you can see here, here just pull a fib, you get this idea. You've got strong resistance here at the top. We could have one more pop off, so I wouldn't sell everything. So I think you could have one more of this. Let me pull my right tool out. Let's do it. Brush. You can have one more pop up, and then come back down. It's kind of hard to be seen. I don't know exactly. Stock market's still going to rip and roar this year. It's an election year. It's 99% of the time that's what's going to happen. As companies lay off workers, their profits and their PE margin and all that fun stuff gets higher because they have less people to pay for. So they have less overall expenses. They can push their profit margins and they can push their expected earnings versus actual earnings and get very positive results. So it's a bunch of games being played. I mean, it's most notable with Amazon right now. Amazon's going to lay off a ton of people. It's coming. So. But basically, yeah, you've got declining momentum with declining price, and you got kind of it's indecisive here in the weekly. So I still think it's going to go potentially a little bit higher, but it's eventually going to come back down. Daily. All right, market cipher. Yeah, it's saying you got a strong high here. So if you haven't started layering out profits, I would. And then look for potential short opportunities if you see a nice hard rejection on the daily. Don't know why my indicators aren't on, or are they? Let's for stock stuff. I like to turn on the 9. So let's let's modify this one. There you go. So, excuse me. The red line here's the 9. Stay above the red line on the daily. On the daily, excuse me. You're good. You do one candle close below it, you close your trade. It really works well. So you can see here, you got one candle close above it. You rode this up. You got one candle close below it. You closed it. So if you did that there. Oh, let's see. We say we got in here. We got out. Let's see. One candle close below it would be here. So it's a 10.6% move. And then if you did it over here, as soon as you got back above it, so here's the beginning of the next day, and then you're still riding it. So that's a 16% move. I don't know how some of the stocks work with leverage and all that fun stuff compared to crypto, but I know it's much lower in most cases. But yeah, you could swing trade the heck out of this thing. So I'd be careful. I am expecting a rejection, and then that's where you'd look to put some future contracts lower. So that's really all I have for you guys. Nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me? Hit a crypto block wall on Twitter and the Block Guard Discord. Thanks.